Triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, then we know that we have 3 sets of sides that are equal and 3 sets of angles that are equal. And if I ask you to prove that these 2 triangles are congruent, at this point right now, you'd have to show me that all 6 of these things are true in order to prove that the triangles are congruent. But we do have some shortcuts. The first shortcut is if I can prove that an angle, a side, and an angle are congruent to an angle, a side, and an angle in another triangle, then the 2 triangles must be congruent. Notice I only have to prove three things are true. I don't have to prove all 6. This is angle, side, angle, and this side must be in between the 2 angles. To use angle, side, angle, the side has to be in between the 2 angles. Because if it's not, then it is probably angle, angle, side. I have 2 angles and the side that's not in between the 2 angles. This is angle, angle, side. So if I can prove that these 2 angles and these 2 angles and these 2 sides are congruent, then the 2 triangles are congruent by angle, angle, side. Another shortcut, it works if I can prove that all 3 sides of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding sides of another triangle. And if that's true, then the 2 triangles are congruent by side, side, side. It's the three sides of one triangle congruent to the 3 corresponding sides of another triangle. Then the triangles are congruent. And the last shortcut we're going to deal with is the side angle side shortcut. I've got 2 sides and I've got the angle in between the 2 sides. All right, this angle is in between the 2 sides. It wouldn't work for Z and it wouldn't work for Y. It has to be the angle in between the 2 sides. So I have 2 sides and the included angle of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts of the other triangle. Then the triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. Make sure you have these 4 down as far as notes are concerned. And if you have any questions or if there's any problems that I can help you with, please post them on Edmodo. Also, let me know that you've watched it and that you understood it. Thank you.